With text now represented numerically, we can perform various NLP tasks. Two of the most common and practical are sentiment analysis and general text classification. Sentiment analysis is about determining the emotional tone of a piece of text. Is it positive, negative, or neutral? Or perhaps it expresses anger, joy, or sadness. It's widely used for understanding customer feedback, social media monitoring, and brand reputation management. For example, a review saying, "This product is amazing, I love it," would be classified as positive. "The service was terrible and slow" would be negative. Challenges include sarcasm, irony, and nuanced language. Models are trained on large datasets of text labeled with their sentiment. Text classification is a broader category where the goal is to assign predefined categories or labels to text. Sentiment analysis is a specific type of text classification. For example, categories are positive, negative, neutral. Other examples of text classification include spam detection, categorizing emails as spam or ham, topic categorization, assigning news articles to sports, politics, entertainment, or urgency detection in customer support tickets, example, high, medium, or low. The process typically involves text pre-processing, cleaning text, removing punctuation, lowercasing, tokenization, feature extraction, converting text to numerical representations, both TF-IDF, or more commonly, word embeddings. Model training, using a classification algorithm, logistic regression, SVMs, or deep learning models like CNNs or RNNs trained on sequences of word embeddings to learn from labeled data. Prediction, classifying new, unseen text. Both sentiment analysis and general text classification are powerful tools for extracting insights from vast amounts of unstructured text data, automating processes, and enhancing decision-making. Next, we'll explore more advanced sequence models.